How to fix Snapchat media upload problem. If you're experiencing issues uploading media on Snapchat, you're not alone. Many users face challenges ranging from slow uploads to complete failures. In this video, we'll guide you through several troubleshooting steps to help you resolve these common problems and get back to sharing your snaps seamlessly. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is often the culprit behind upload issues. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see if that improves the situation. Next, ensure that your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Open your device's App Store, search for Snapchat, and install any available updates. Updates frequently include bug fixes that can resolve upload issues. If the problem persists, consider clearing the app's cache. Navigate to your device's settings, find Snapchat in the app list, and select the option to clear cache. This action can help eliminate temporary glitches that may be affecting your uploads. Another important step is to check your device's storage. Insufficient storage can prevent media from uploading. Make sure you have enough space by deleting unnecessary files or apps. If you're still having trouble, try reducing the size of the media files you're attempting to upload. Large files can take longer to upload or may fail entirely. Use a video editing app to compress videos or select lower resolution images. Lastly, if none of these steps work, consider reinstalling the Snapchat app. Uninstall it from your device and then download it again from the App Store. This fresh installation can resolve lingering issues that updates or cache clearing might not fix. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix your Snapchat media upload problems effectively. If you continue to experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Snapchat support for further assistance. Happy snapping!